have Utito free because these three here, you concentrate kule midfielder lawa they are not concentrating Utito. Utito when he drops, abala escotin, ha. You don't have to win the first ball, you have to win the second ball. Ball lugu chain, long pass. They win the first ball, the second ball they don't win. You cannot have three players la. Three players doing nothing. Then you have a player la. You're supposed to be at the back. Oh wabana. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. It wasn't a pretty game, but good result for the Pirates. The last 3 games or the last 5 games of the season, it's not about a beautiful football. It's about winning and grinding results. Poor performance from Stellenbosch. Losing, you can lose, Buffett, right? It's how you lose the game, right? Stellenbosch only had one shot on target in the second half of foot, right? Poor performance from Bona. I'm going to show you what they did, especially second half. They can't even cross the ball. They're playing at home. You can't even cross the ball. Now, let's start. Pirates, right? So now, Pirates started with their normal formation, 4-2-3-1, right? Stellenbosch came in with a 4-3-3, pressing with the 3. Yeah? You cannot play like that against the Pirates. Stellenbosch ikabang ukuthi bedlala ne-Sundowns. So Sundowns, they always want to play the ball from the back. Yeah? Pirates does not mind playing long balls, which is what they did in this game. If you look at this game, yeah, I think it's the only game where they played long balls, kakulu, too many long balls, and it worked for them. Now, this is the first one. Long ball, and then you have to deal with the second ball. The first ball is not important, but the second ball is the one that's important. Another clip, another example, Pirates playing long balls. In the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes, Stellenbosch was dealing with it. Perfect. But when the game goes on, the formation there, you see the 3 here and you see the 3 here. It's not good because you are going to open up. And remember, Uguti, when the game continues, these 2 guys, they won't drop. They won't drop. I won't say wingers, right? And it is the 3 up front. So the right forward and the left forward won't drop. And the Pirates, what they like to do, they like to push their fullbacks, which is Usbelebele and then Undaba on this side. But now, you're focusing in long balls. And you'll always have Utito free because these 3 here, you concentrate kule midfielder lawa, they are not concentrating Utito. Utito when he drops, abala escotin, ha. This is the first one. Yeah? Ball goes out, throw in, watch again. Ball will go back to the keeper. In the first half, Umoya was going with the Pirates. What I failed to understand is Stellenbosch, why didn't you do the same thing as well? In this case, they deal with the second ball. You don't have to win the first ball, but you have to win the second ball. Football is copy and paste, Buffett. Stellenbosch failed to copy and paste. You don't have to win the first ball. You have to win the second ball. Ball lugu chain, long pass. They win the first ball, the second ball they don't win it. What did I say? When this will cause you problems because Utito will find himself a free. Uti offside. Maybe it was offside. But you don't have to win the first ball. You have to win the second ball. First chance, the Orlando Pirates. This game because it's two big teams and it's a very tense game, right? Yeah, okay, Stellenbosch not a big team but a strong team. Yeah? The team that makes the most mistakes was the one that's gonna get punished. Now, ball is on the left. I want you to focus on this is the left back. Yeah? This is the left back. Now this is a police sharp. Pirates wins the ball. Pirates will attack. I just want you to watch these two. Angit sharp. Long ball. They don't deal with it here. Right? It was not even a long ball. Uchain clear ball. They don't deal with the ball here. Angit could have done better. You made a mistake. Sharp. They are attacking. Now look at this. Look at this. This is the left back. This is a police. You are all watching, my man. In these games, the team that makes a mistake amaningi is the one that's likely to get punished. Let me take it back. Right? I'm gonna take it back and show you. Again, Mfukeng could have passed the ball to Utito here. Now, this is a police, Hangit. This is a police. The ball comes. Ntanga is ball watching. His ball watching is not looking at his man. You cannot forget about your man. Mfukeng could have passed the ball to Utito. Yes, this was a good idea, but it was a very difficult pass. Yeah? Very difficult pass. Could have the easy pass is here. But good chance for Orlando Pirates. Could have done better. Another chance for Orlando Pirates comes from what? The long pass. Sipo chain, long pass. We failed to deal with it. It's the first one, okay, but then again, hit the target in Panagiti. Should have hit the target there. Long ball, we failed to deal with the first one. The second, there's no one there away to recover the ball. Pirates should have scored at least one. In these two chances, at least one shy target. Pirates played better crosses than Stellenbosch. It's like Nati, it was their home game. I don't understand. And on goal. I don't know. Bafit. Who are defending? Who are defending? The ball is gonna go back. It's gonna go to the right hand side. Now, cross. You know when you see into the saw, you that's when you think Guti, it's a game. Because let me take it back. I don't understand. The ball comes, it comes to you. Ne? You are the right back. The ball comes to you. Angit. Why can't you hit the ball? Or flick the ball? Now again, Futi, even in the positioning, why was he going down? Right? Because the ball alikola pezu. Why was he going down? If Lila, then you can use your feet. You can use your Marabafet. There's one thing that Stellenbosch did very well, and most teams they fail to do it. Right? They fail to do what Stellenbosch did here. I'll show you. When Mfukeng or Ua Police are playing wide, or then they tuck in and play as half 10, a lot of teams don't know how to respond to that tactic. Sorry. Now, Nikalala. Stellenbosch sipeti ball. He's gonna play the ball long. Why do you want to play the ball? Uy, he's surrounded. Uy, I always say the best players, they always pass a player that has one or two more options. You play the ball there. You luckily ball. Let's play here. Hey, back. This guy was all alone. Let's say he won the ball. Because udlala ibhola ekhanda. Sharp. Now, I'm gonna show you what Stellenbosch did here. Now, this is Mfukeng, right? he's in a half 10 position. Now the right back wenzani udropa naye, you have to deal with him. Now you have Undaba. If Aksu Undaba normally is who Uhoto, he will push up because there's space there, there's space this side. So this guy, you have to go with him. Our choice in Panagit, you have to do that. Watch, he drops. This guy still on Umufuke, and his space is Sigupi, his space is Sila. Fine. Sitila Ngailo, right? Sharp. Watch what happens. Good defending. Most teams, they fail to do what Stellenbosch did there. There are certain things, good professionally, that I see, and you can't have, especially when it's a corner kick. You can. PSL guys, we have a lot of coaches, but we don't have a lot of good coaches. I'm telling you that. We have a lot of coaches, we don't have a lot of good coaches. You cannot have Uguti. It's a corner kick. They send 2 sharp. You send 2. These 3, guys. You cannot have 3 players la. 3 players doing nothing. Then you have a player la who won. Why don't one of these guys azoma la? Because these guys, Bamakile, all these guys, Bamakile, you have 3 players doing absolutely nothing. Yeah? Because who said the ball is gonna come here? Like Ubanu take Zozala. You have 3. Suka. Dlalwa ngathi la. Cross all alone. Uy one. Could have done better Lapaya police. I think he should have used his head, because using your foot from a corner kick and then now when you are attacking the ball, it's very difficult. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying it is very difficult to score like that. First goal, Orlando Pirates, right? It came via a set piece. There was a set piece before. Then I just want to show you how they conceded. It's not a coincidence that they conceded the goal. It's not. Just look at, this is Ulibus, right? You cannot that's why there is not a lot of good coaches good PSL. Like maybe they do this thing or not, but it doesn't look like it. You cannot have as a defender, defend. Now I'm a pali nga sibambila ini la. When umuntu ommakile usemuva kwakho. Yo. Look. This is not bafethu. You're supposed to be at the back. Nah. The ball does not get to Umahopa, right? The cross was played Gufa pole, not Gula's pole. Now watch the goal. Nali goal. Now, let me take it back, right? La, fine. Umfage in an offside position. You are in front of him. Perfect. Now watch what happens. Uza emuva. When you are what? You are ball watching. Okay? Sharp. Now, oh Jehovah. Pagat, inside. Let me take it back. Bafethu ndlala ngathi. Hayi. Ulibusa umakumaho. Unda umake usibisi. Right? Sharp. Pirates mara this bafethu. Both of these center backs, both of them, mine isn't just wrong. It is always bad, guys. It's always good. Them thing me so. If he line there, this is the line, right? The striker must be here. And as soon as they are about to kick the ball, you come this side. You are the first one to make the move. If you make the move before him, you are going to defend. Uzoba so now the striker is going to be here, and when are you going to be here so that you can head the ball. But if you are just going to stand Jay in front of him, then he makes the move first. Maybe he'll be offside. But if he's at the back like this, you don't know what's happening behind you. Now watch what happens. Now unda sekuba ngathi uye omake umaho. Now CBC is free because this guy is focusing la. Suka. The whole season, guys, I've been saying this. You don't have to win the first ball when you play against Pirates, but you have to win the second ball. You have to. First ball, second ball drops to Pirates. Watch what happens. Remember what I said, Uguti? I said these two, they won't come back when the game continues. Bazo Katala. You can't have three here, Udalane Pirates. You can't. You're just giving the game away. Because Tito will always find the space. Tito is very smart. He'll always find the space. He did this run, this movement here. He did it in the 42nd minute. Just that I don't have time. Yaban. He did this in the 42nd or 43rd minute. Yeah, but he didn't get the ball. This time he gets the ball. 1, 2, cross. Goal. Kanjalo nje. Because you didn't win the second ball. You are worried about the first one. No, forget about the first one. Now let me take it back. That's poor defending. This is poor defending, guys. You have two center backs. You have two center backs that are not picking up anyone. Umahopa is this side. As the second center back, the left center back is there. Me as the right center back, I need to look out for the striker. But striker momentum one, see two. So you have to look at where is the striker. Then you go to him. You cannot do this. Bafethu. Yeah? Jesus, Bafethu. And then when you see performances so Gubonda, and then after the game, he goes to the Pirates fans. They sing his name. Bafethu. Second half, there wasn't a lot of things, right? A lot of things happened in the first half. Pirates just managed the game. That's going to show you how poor Stellenbosch was. Their crossing was poor. They only had one good cross and they almost scored from it, right? Boom. Diagonal pass. Watch this. You call this a cross? Another poor cross. Futila Z2. You have a striker throwing in the ball. Striker. This guy is a striker. Second half, what Stellies did, right? Sorry I didn't mention. Second half, Stellies put in two strikers. When they started the game, they didn't play with the striker. Second half, Pafaga, two strikers. Then you have a striker here, then you have a striker here. But both of these guys, they don't like being in the box. Yeah? He came like, he hamba. The second half, Stellies, they say hamba no more. Right? Because the wind was blowing this side towards the Orlando Pirates. And it's sharp. Watch. Hang the ball. Hang the ball. This is when you're supposed to hang the ball. Ball comes back. Watch. Ow, Jehovah. At home. Another poor cross. Striker. Left back. You have all the time in the world, Mfanagiti. You give us this. You give us that cross. I said we have a lot of coaches, good PSA, but not a lot of good coaches. Kevin Hunt is a good coach. You can't win 4 league titles if you are not a good coach, guys. Just that in this game, He tried to be smart, but it didn't work. It just didn't work. Yeah? And even the guys, Stellenbosch, were poor. Now, watch. Final clip, Vala. In this clip, Telly's played 3 crosses. I'm gonna start with a good cross. It starts with a good. It starts with a bad cross. It ends with a bad cross. Now, throw in your Stellies, hang it sharp. He played short, played back, but along a president. Now, cross. I don't understand why you would have a striker there, Gulas pole. I don't understand why. Should be defender and the ball should be here. Play. Perfect. You see, if you look at goal Lagatito, it's a cross where it is inside Amapali. Right? If the keeper does not handle if the keeper or the defenders don't touch the ball, it could lead into a goal. Not this thing there. Pirates and Zani, they deal with the cross. By clear by defender. Defend. I watch. Cross. Beautiful cross. Beautiful save there. Beautiful save from Muchain. Usipo Chain there touch the ball. If Beyangal Tindanga, maybe Belzo Shai Pali Beseliangen. But great save there. Good cross there. Good cross. First time cross. But the problem is, these two are not strikers. They are not strikers. Yeah? People in the box. Abba said to Zani, Jehovah. Now watch. Started with a bad cross. It ends with a bad cross. Poo, Abba feet. Shame. No. Now, yeah. Today, Kaizer Chiefs Ilarane Sundowns. Like I said, in the goal difference, it puts pressure on the Sundowns. They have to win all their games. And you have Chiefs supporters supporting Sundowns, which I don't think it's a good thing, but I see collab. I don't think Sundowns will win the league because I don't think they'll win all their games. Now, the Pirates has the easiest schedule after here. They playing a weekend Kuzoyovar, and they play a easy game. Makesi, Orbit, those teams are dead. Pirates can score 10 goals in those games, right? But Sizobona call, right? I'm just predicting who the Pirates will win a league. Again, I don't think profit who knows what's going to happen, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.